Alright, so this is my final project for CSIS 10C. My name's Antonio, and here we go. So, in this project we were given a room class, two room classes, one a header file, one a CPP file. Didn't have to alter anything in either of these. Everything just worked as given for the main sections of the project. Where we had to start doing stuff was in the main file, which was here. So the first things that I did were to add a the first extra credit I did was the jump to method here. Following that, we have our add method, connect method, and our rename and description methods. Exit, which just prints the exits of the rooms, our menu, and I decided to alter the char2 direction method to include a case for the lowercase letter because I was running into errors when before I realized that it in fact did not come with a lowercase option. So if we attempt to run the file, we can check to see what our commands are. As you can see, they are all there, our directional options. We can check the current room, check the exits. We can connect the current room to a different room that is already made. We can rename the room or give it a new description and add a new room. If we have a series of rooms, we can jump between them, or we can just quit the program altogether. So let's start by adding a room. First, we are going to name our new room the class. Our description is it has rows of seats and a blank whiteboard in the front. From the current room, it'll decide how we want to go to whatever, or how we want to get to our new room. So we'll just say for now we'll take the north exit, and to keep it simple, we'll go from the south in the new room to get back to where we are now. So if we look at our new room, we see currently we're still in the void, but if we decide to look at the exits, we notice now that the classroom is to the north. And if I decide to move north and check out the room we're in, we are now in the classroom. So let's add a few more rooms just to make a list, and then we can figure out what we want to do from there. Let's see. So alright, so we have a total of 4 rooms now. If we look at, we should still be in the classroom, so if we look at the current exits, we see we have 3 options of which ways we can go. So let's move north to the Math Learning Center. So now we are there. So what we can do is connect this room to the void, and to get there, let's make it a loop. So we go from the north, and we will come in from the south. So, and from there, we can check our exits in here, and now we see the north, or to the north we have the void. So if we go that way and check it again, we're now in the void. If we go south and check it, we are now back in the MLC. From there we can jump to the office, which would be room 2, which we aren't currently connected to in this room. So, and now if we look, we're in the office. We can rename this room to, let's see, the library. And if we look at it now, the library, and if we give it a new description, the footfalls check it again, and we have a new room, and we can still jump to any of our previous rooms. So let's jump back to the void, and we're in the void. So yeah, that's all there is to this, I believe. Don't think I missed anything, but yeah, thanks for watching.